Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. We've got an interesting one today. We are off on the weekend to Hangzhou to go and film the 212 T01. And so today we are halfway from Shanghai to Hangzhou, and Hanjo is an interesting place because it has the world's largest canal going through it all the way to Beijing. Now, being a proud Brummie, I can tell you that we have more canals than Venice. Yes, you heard that correctly. Birmingham has more canals than Venice. So to go to a city that has the longest canal will be very interesting. So I want to see if it's as wonderful as Birmingham's is, and I put that in quotation marks, wonderful, because we've picked out quite a few drunken people out of there before, and there's lots of stories I can tell you. I need to actually go back and see. There's one person who swam across it in the city centre, which is phenomenal. But anyway, yeah, so we got the whole crew in today. So we've got Xiao Chu, as you can see, who's asleep. This man knows how to rest between jobs. And then we've got Justin, and Justin is there driving. He is like our editor for the Chinese channels. And then we've got the wonderful Ethan, who is working on his script for the 212. So yeah, this should be really interesting. It's going to be mega hot today, so we're looking at like 35 degrees. I've got my military fatigues on because it is a military car, and I'm really excited to see how it goes. So yeah, wish us luck. I'll see you in a second. Peace out. Just doing the test course now. So Ethan just going through this test course, which I think is really funny. And we've got the rest of the team here just watching to see how it goes.
Excellent. 我是叫 excellent， 不是我。啊，对，这个能关吗？这个雷达我看一下，它在车机里面。看有没有语音操作。What the Oh my god, drift! 这里慢一点。更少。咱们回去吧，这里可以上。哦，对，这个是最后一条。那个，稍微往右一点，别空的。哇！交几几块吗？我靠，10几万能买这辆车？是啊，这不是性价比最高的一个野车吗？除非你自己买个二手的吉姆尼自己改装。他妈吉姆尼哪有它好玩呢？吉姆尼嘛空间太小了。是的。吉姆尼空间小，对，动力也是通。
The next stop of the Wheels Boy EV Tour is headed to the 2026 Beijing Auto Show, where I will personally guide you through the newest launches, the wildest concepts, and the tech that's about to shape the next year of electric cars. And we're not stopping there. We're also going behind the scenes at the Xiaomi factory for a tour of where they build the internet-breaking SU7 and YU7. This is the kind of access you almost never get. Want more than the standard itinerary? You can customize the tour, including the chance to get behind the wheel of the Chinese electric cars of your choice. Spots are limited. Hit the link in the description or head to wheelsboysselect.com to learn more.
Wheels Boy EV Tour.
Maybe because I have confused it by going.
Oh, breakfast.
I'm just at the walk club. We're just getting a sharpened course. Day 2. We're shooting stuff at the moment and just seeing this absolutely gorgeous horse here. What an unreal day. Like, we're in the middle of the mountains and it's just incredible. Beautiful. I mean,
刹车现在松掉，我把你抖过，这样打开了，刹车完全松掉，不要去管，它的速度是一定的，不会快也不会慢，控制好方向就可以。
Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys have enjoyed this BTS video that we've made of us creating our videos for Wheels Boy. And please tune in again in the future and find out more about how we make our videos and how we can help you guys to make your own videos too. If you've got any questions, drop them down below in the comments. We'll be happy to answer them for you. But until then, we will meet you again in the next video. Take it easy.